Titi.
Ayo, what up, it's your boy Ep3. I'm back with another shine this and we'll cover some figure to buy a show. Okay, I just want to say thank you for 300 subscribers. Bafethu kusho lukhulu ke bafethu ukuthi ngihambe ngaze ngafika kule ndlela engiyona ngihambisana nani legend bafethu. Funa unithembise nje ukuthi lukhulu liyeza. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Always. Ayo, what up, it's your boy Ep3. I'm back with another shine this. I'm here with
Ntethelelo Ndawa.
Okay, first I'm here with Ntethelelo Ndawa. First, okay, so Ntethelelo, tell me, my bro, what is the capital city of KwaZulu-Natal?
Oh, Pietermaritzburg indoda.
Away. Alright, sige nje ngokwakho ne uqonda ukuthini uWWW?
World Wide Web.
Away nje okay. Who is the deputy president of South Africa?
Awufethu. Ngagcina ku David Mabuza nganoma avesayo David Mabuza phela.
Paul Mashatile nje uyiphethe le mpahla le ethi Washington DC. Washington DC. Okay. Uqonda ukuthini uDC nje
Hawu mtsheni. Washington DC.
Yeah.
DC umele ukuthini nje mfethu? UDiomel Democratic mhlawumbe.
Awungahlawumbisela nje as long as ufake no C.
Washington Democratic Country.
No, it's District of Columbia nje. Yeah. Okay, the highest amount that you've ever spent on a date. Okay, be taking how much?
If it's maybe it's angazi. 1.5. I'm not sure first.
1.5.
Yeah.
Say chocolate ngani? Okay, best advice would give about some jolo nje.
Fese kumele ucabangele wedwa. Futhi ngeshintsha leyo mfethu yabo. Kumele uthande ubuye mfethu yabo ungayi kakhulu.
Ubuye nganene ne.
Yeah.
Okay, i-message ongayisenda to ex yakho ngathini njengamanje? Ayikho.
Kulutho nje eqhamuke emqondweni engicabangayo.
Kwaphela kanjalo.
Yeah.
Away boy, okay, please share out to Instagram la abantu bangakuthola khona ukufollow njalo.
Fese anginawo Instagram first.
TikTok?
Ntethelelo Ndawa.
Ntethelelo Ndawa. Always stay blessed njalo man.
Correct
my G. Showcase. Let's go. Ayo, what up, it's your boy Ep3. I'm back with another shine this and we'll cover some figure to buy a show. I'm here with
Mpilo wakazungu.
Okay, bafethu mphethe umpilo wakazungu bafethu. Mpilo bafethu. Uqonda ukuthini nje Washington DC?
Washington DC.
Yeah.
Washington DC.
Yeah.
District. Washington DC. Washington.
No. Yo, uqonda ukuthi District of Columbia nje. Okay, uWWW uqonda ukuthini?
World Wide Web.
Okay.
Yeah.
Away nje. Who's the deputy president of South Africa currently?
Is it? Yeah. It's Mr. Mashatile.
Away nje. Okay, highest amount that you've ever spent kumjolo.
Kumjolo.
Yeah. With dates nje nje.
With dates so. Like blogs matter, blogs.
Some chocolates again.
Blogs nah.
Away. Okay. Iphi message ongafisa ukuthi sendele ex yakho njengamanje ngafisa ukuthini again?
Kwakumnandi phela.
Umnandi izindawo.
Okay.
Ungapheli kahlolo.
Fethu.
Away. Okay, please share out to Instagram na TikTok la abantu bayakuthola khona.
Ngubuhle Zungu Instagram na TikTok futhi. TikTok ngomnandi enuka Karwembuzi.
Away mnandi enuka Karwembuzi. Okay, stay blessed, stay shining my face always. Thank you nje. Showcase.
What is the new record whose driver can sign under? What is the new record whose driver can sign under?
Anybody that thinks they can dance better than him, come to the dance floor right now. If you think you can dance better than him, come to the dance floor right now. Let's go, DJ.
Boy, I got a rumor. They said I got drip. I'm like a fish, a barracuda. Flexing with that wrist, got that grease. We young taller. I got custom drip.
Ayo, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel smoke figure to buy it. Show. Okay, I'm here with
Lisa Vezi.
okay, bafethu ngiphethe Lisa Vezi bafethu namhlanje. Okay, Lisa ngokucabanga kwakho why do girls cheat?
Okay, so I solely think amantombazane cheats because of finances. Maybe she's dating a guy and the guy's not financially stable, so she'd obviously get another guy who is well off. And abona ukuthi lo uzonginakekela, so why not ukuthi ngithandane naye instead? So that's why they cheat. Also, another reason could be that sexual preferences as well. Sometimes we date people who don't really satisfy our sexual preferences, and we want to explore further by also trying out abanye abantu.
Yeah.
So what tends to happen is that you find another person, obviously you will sleep with them, explore as much as you can. That's cheating. That's another reason for cheating. Maybe it's sexual unsatisfaction as well. Yes.
Always, mami ngiyabonga mfethu songiphendula mina dude. Okay, so have you ever keep umchitsi to dates well?
Yes, I've dated 2 people that I've taken out. I've taken them out on lunch, on drinks dates. My drinks dates, into yami shame.
Okay, the highest amount that you have ever spent on a date?
paid. Yeah. Just in one go or overall?
Dates say one. You so coca
Yeah, $700. It was at Duca. It was at Duca in Florida, and we went there. Yes, and we had shots. It was fun, Yes, and I don't regret it. Shame, I don't regret it because Nami, as much as we'd spend, we should also consider as much as guys spend. They spend so much on us, so I really don't regret spending on that guy.
Always, mommy. Okay, so me www.
World Wide Web.
Always. Okay, SABC.
South African Broadcasting Channel.
Who's the deputy president of South Africa?
Is it not Paul Mashatile?
Okay, best advice that you'll give about some joy.
Guys, I'm also single. I have no advice. All I'm gonna say is have fun. Unga famblishi. Make sure that you're always on the bag. As much as we love with an open heart, but don't lose sight.
Okay.
Ibala.
Always. Please shout out to Instagram. Laban bang follow akon.
Guys, you can follow me on @LisaVezi. Actually, it's _ Lisa Vezi on Instagram.
Always. Ngiyabonga mami ubonisolwe.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Ayo, what up? It's your boy L Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel smoke figure to buy it. Show. I'm here with
Aphiwe Biase.
okay, I'm here with Aphiwe and
usamthanda mlaba.
okay, Aphiwe nosamthanda wafethu. Okay, Aphiwe nangu ne?
Yeah.
Okay, so Aphiwe, highest amount that you have ever spent on a date?
Highest amount? I think it's only 40 rand.
40 bucks, ne?
Gibela, yeah.
Away, mommy. So highest amount that you have ever spent on a date?
I think 250.
250.
Yes.
Sazwana nalo mchisa namanje?
Yeah, phela kwangasona nami imali ukuthi ngidle. Kwakuye tip ne transport.
Away. Okay. So who's the deputy president of South Africa? Ne, wena ngowakho is the deputy president of South Africa.
But
Ne. Okay, no, next question, guys. It's fine. Paul Mashatile Buffett. Capital city of KwaZulu-Natal.
That's Pietermaritzburg.
Wena?
Of KwaZulu-Natal, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Pietermaritzburg.
we go sit Durban, go tag. Pietermaritzburg.
Yeah, Pietermaritzburg. Okay. Uqonda ukuthini www?
It's World Wide Web.
Wena?
What sites?
Websites, ne?
Yes.
Away. Okay, best advice you'd give a person umjolo?
Akukho kunye kusem. Yini lento le?
Ungamxini. Ungabambeleli.
Ungabambeleli. Nami khona indlela engifuna ukuyisho ngayo kodwa nje. Angazi.
Sengilikhohliwe le gama mhlawumbe wena ungalisho first ngokwakho best advice you'd give a person umjolo. Ungathini?
Ukuthi ungakhulumi ngezinto odlule kuzona kwi previous relationship yakho ngoba uzokutreata ngalendlela owahethwa ngayo.
Ne.
Yeah.
Always. Bafethu, please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangakufollowa khona.
@usiyamthanda/mlaba.
Okay, wena mamina?
It's ambitious mahle.
Ambitious man.
Yes.
Okay, mfethu, wase ambitious vele wena?
No, angekho ambitious.
Oh.
It defines me. The ambitious.
Awaqola abantu ke mfethu mamina, ebe grand ne?
Okay.
Away, sure. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ep3. I'm back with another Shandis and Dolcava Smakfig to Bani Tegi show. Okay, well, first, so just want to say thank you for 325 subscribers. But first, so thank you for cover videos of first. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ngiyabonga bafethu ngibekezelela angifuna ukunithembisa ukuthi lukhulu liyeza. Always.